Subscribe to Nikilicious Buzz by clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the bell button so that you get notification of my latest videos. My all natural and organic glow serum. Do you want to know the secrets to my amazing and beneficial face serum? Then keep watching this video till the end. Ingredients required are coconut oil. I'm using cold pressed organic coconut oil from Pure and Sure. You can use any organic oil of your choice. Citrus essential oil, you can use lemon or orange as you like. For this step you can use lavender essential oil or any essential oil. I'm using tea tree. 2 vitamin E capsules. Lastly, a clean sanitized bottle for storage. Steps required to make this amazing serum. Please follow the procedures carefully and also the measurement. Like I said earlier, you can use any base oil of your choice like argan oil. Now fill half of the bottle with coconut oil. Use any citrus essential oil because they contain high amounts of vitamin C. You can use lemon essential oil. I'm using orange. I'm using 6 drops of orange essential oil. Please check in the description box to know all the detailed information. I am really sorry I couldn't tell you in detail because this video is extremely short. Please check the measurements carefully. For older ladies, you can use lavender or patchouli. I'm using tea tree because my skin tends to break out a lot. 4 drops of tea tree essential oil. One with sensitive and oily skin, please do a patch test before using it or use it with aloe vera gel. Even men can use this aftershave as a post aftershave serum to heal rashes from cuts and burns. Now 2 capsules, vitamin E capsules. You can use almond oil, sunflower oil or wheat germ oil because they are an active form of vitamin E. You can poke a needle or cut it with the help of a scissor to extract the wonderful oils from inside the capsule. Also, one with that very dry skin can use 4 capsules of vitamin E. I'm using 400 mg vitamin E capsule. Now shake all the oils well to get that amazing serum which is ready to use on your already beautiful skin to get that glass, dewy, glowy skin. As you can see, the serum gives a very healthy and glowy shine. It is very absorbent and doesn't leave any greasy feeling on your skin. The part is it is free from harmful chemicals. The best serum you can find in the market. How to apply the serum? Your hands and your face should be completely clean. As you can see, wash your face and apply as shown. Massage it liberally onto your skin. Now tap around your face for better absorption of the serum. Apply this amazing serum daily to get that glowy glass skin. If you're making this amazing recipe, share it with your friends and subscribe please. Try it and comment.